This little piece of aluminum right here, it's been lying to a man up in Iowa. It's been telling Matt and his son that it's dead, telling him to give up on the hobby. Well, today we're going to put it in the interrogation room and we're going to make it tell the truth. You know, just the other day, one of my buddies asked me, T-Mike, why do you spend so much time talking to those old outboard motors? And I answered him, because unlike my wife, when I adjust their attitude, they actually listen. Well, I'm T-Mike, and today we're doing our 3 trademark things. Number 1, we're interrogating a carburetor. Number 2, we're giving a carb the full Cajun spa treatment from my buddy Matt. And number 3, I'm going to show you how my mail-in service repair program can actually get your carburetor purring like a kitten. This video is going directly out to Matt. Matt, I know what you're going through. The motor's lying to you, telling you it wants to start, but it's not doing it.
We got it up somewhat good.
What?
We got it up a little bit, but then it's died on us.
Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. In the vintage outboard world, the holy trinity of compression, spark, and fuel is just like the human body. Compression is the lungs, spark is the heart, and fuel is the brain. All right? And this brain that's soaking in here right now is lying to you. It's telling you it's compression and it's telling you it's spark, but all it really is bad fuel. We need to get the brain cleaned out, and that's what it's going through right now, the Cajun spa treatment. Today we're dragging Matt's carb into the interrogation room just like every other carb that's sent in. We're scrubbing the lies out of it and sending it back to Iowa with the ultimate truth. A hand-signed certification. Cleaning a carburetor isn't a race, it's an art. It's a lot like enjoying a fine cigar or a good glass of aged bourbon. You can't rush the process, and you got to appreciate the craftsmanship. Well, look at that. From a greasy paperweight to a fine piece of jewelry. Matt, she's ready to ship back to you. But I don't just ship it back in a box. I ship it with a guarantee. A T-Mike guarantee. T-Mike certified rebuilt. Alright? So when you get this, it gives you a peace of mind. It should give you proof that this carburetor is rebuilt to last. So take this and stick it to your toolbox so you can be reminded of T-Mike's certified process. Listen guys, I'm on a mission to save this hobby, so don't forget the free motor giveaway on June 15th. If you want to participate, just click on the link down below and submit your request. So if you're having trouble with your motor at home and you suspect it's the carb, the gear case, or magneto, you have 3 options, okay? Option number 1, you can do it yourself. With my videos, my parts, and my technical consulting, I know you can do it yourself. Okay. Option number 2, you can buy a refurbished unit on my eBay store or my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You can get a refurbished one there. Or number 3, you can do what Matt did and you can mail it to me. Don't forget, mail-in repair service is the way to go if that's your option. Well, I hope, Matt, you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. All you others out there, if I helped you, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and check out all my technical consulting, parts, videos, everything on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. And if you don't find what you need on my website, don't forget, you can always call me.